Good morning and welcome to another edition of e-learning Friday. Today is October 9th, and for your assignments today, obviously listening to our announcements. And then for writing, you have the grammar lesson for week 3. For math this week, you can just get into Prodigy and play around with Prodigy for a little bit today. If you want to work on your MTs, you are more than welcome, but you certainly don't have to just yet. I'm hoping by our next e-learning Friday, I will have some stuff set up for Zoom so we can have a Zoom meeting in the morning. And then for reading, you have your unit assessment, your lesson or day 5, which is your end of week assessments. Okay. Also, please choose something in the specials course, either math, STEAM, or PE, and work on those. I am going to work on getting a Kahoot put into our Bitmoji classroom, so check back around 9. I'm going to work on it right now, so I'm hoping by about 9 o'clock we should have a Kahoot, just a basic math skills Kahoot. Okay. And possibly like fourth this week. I'm not sure yet. I have to look. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. There is no work assigned for Monday. I'm taking the day off too. Um, I'm going to go out and enjoy the beautiful fall leaves and possibly go for a hike. All right, happy learning.